Indian Contract Act, difference between fraud and misrepresentation. Section 17 deals with fraud, whereas Section 18 deals with misrepresentation. Intention: in case of fraud, the presence of fraudulent intent. In case of misrepresentation, no intention to mislead. Knowledge: in case of fraud, person knows the statement is false, while in case of misrepresentation, the person believes the statement is true. Damages: in case of fraud, aggrieved party can rescind contract and claim damages. In case of misrepresentation, usually only rescission is allowed, not damages, unless negligence. Legal nature: in case of fraud, civil and criminal wrong. Misrepresentation, civil wrong. Effect on contract: in case of fraud, contract is voidable at the option of aggrieved party. In case of misrepresentation, contract is voidable only if false statement induce the party to give their consent. Next, in case of fraud, example is selling a car known to be defective. In case of misrepresentation, example is selling a car believing it to be in a good condition. Next, definition. Section 17 deals with fraud, Section 18 deals with misrepresentation. It defines fraud means and includes any of following act committed by party to contract with intention to deceive another party or induce him to enter into contract, that is suggestion as a fact which is not true by one who doesn't believe it to be true, active concealment of fact by one having knowledge of fact, promise made without intention to perform it, any act fitted to deceive, and any such act or omission as law specially declares to be fraudulent. Misrepresentation, the defined in at section 18, which means and includes positive assertion in a manner not warranted by information of person making it of that which is not true though he believes it to be true, breach of duty without intent to deceive, causing innocently a party to agreement to make mistake as to substance of the thing which is the subject of the agreement.